guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nina Bonina Brown, and this is like very random, but I was in the mood to do like some kind of like 80s, you know, very heavy blush, colors popping, inspired look. And also I got some products from MAC Cosmetics, some more PR, so I wanted to work with that. And honestly, a lot of the colors that I got from them were more so like more Christmassy because it's the holiday, so it was like, oh, how am I gonna pull this off? But I made it work. So anyway, just so you know, the colors and things that I've used to create this look, if you want to create this look, then these are the tools that you'll need. So here we go. So I used this lip right here on top of other products. And this color, so you know, is Ice Orchid right here. And Ice Orchid gives it that like freshly like touch of ice. Like see, it's very frosty. Cute. So that was one. And I also mixed a little bit of this as far as in the middle as well. And the color is Tudor Rose or Tudor Rose, T-U-D-O-R. Y'all know I'm not a mathematician. And it's like a very, you know, your typical hot pink gloss, but it's not as overly bearing, still kind of sheer. So what else did she use on this episode of Drag Race? Oh, I lined my lip with chestnut liner and a little bit of night mauve. But also, let me go ahead and show you the other colors. This is freaking beautiful. This is Rosebud. And this is like a very pretty, oh, it's so pretty. It's very holiday, but it's like a dark burgundy, deep red. I think it's beautiful. I love it. Yes, ma'am. And this other color, or did I use this one right here? Did I mean to use this one? Hold on, bitch. Girl, you see that? You see her? Look at her. Girl, hold on, bitch. I can't really see it because I got so much color in my lip, but I like it because it matches this, girl, when I get to the highlight. They say it's a skin finisher, but it gives me more highlight tease, but it's pretty. And as my eyes follow, I use a lot of this in the inner corners, as you see. And this is the color Holiday Time. Holiday Time. And the weird thing is, y'all, this PR, when I got the package yesterday, it said that it said that this stuff came out October 15th. So I'm real late getting this. Girl, the shade of it all. But yeah, this is the color up there. If you can see it, I'm recording on my phone. It's probably not as good quality as using my Canon camera, but so yeah, this is Status Quo, sorry. And it's like a silver. I tried drawing like a lightning design, but it was so transparent you could barely see it. So this is Midnight Toast. Let me just use the back of my hand for these last two. And now there's like a very pretty deep navy blue, almost black. And the last one, a little moonlight, even though it's black. I've never seen a moonlight, but who am I to judge? That's black, but okay. See, I'm a fan of liquid liners, but not when they have like glitter in it because you can barely see it up top because it's so transparent. Let me see what it does up here. I didn't use any. Just as I thought, trash. I'm just kidding. That's zibba hubba zoo. Zibba zoo. Baby zibba zoo. That means it's okay. Now I also got this right here, and this is a matte shiny pretty things face compact, medium deep. Another Skin Finish So Glow a bronzer called Quick Trip, and a blush called Extra Dimensions. Yeah, this is for a Caucasian person. The gold is okay. I mean, she okay. I mean, she cute. She cute, I mean, you know. If you into that kind of thing, put a little on my nose. Rudolph the gold-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Ow! Watch out, Whitney Houston. And that's that. But this right here, this last thing I want to show you is the Skinfinish, allegedly. Snowflushed is the color. And I kind of went through it, but it's a pretty like ribbon design in there with a star. And it's like very, like it looks gold, but it's like pinkish gold. It's like I'm giving y'all the finger, I'm sorry. But I put all that in here, girl. Like I was just like, you know what? Like, who has time to waste product? Not me. Not I. Just put it all on. Like, who's counting? I'm not counting. Are you counting? I'm not. And there you have it, guys. And thank you guys for watching as always. You know, I appreciate you guys so much for you guys continually to be on my channel. I hope you guys like it. I can't wait to see some of your holiday looks that you pull off because I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. So as always, remember to dislike and unsubscribe. You know what that really means. But most importantly, stay beat, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Bye.